Viewers, let's watch this video. Video will have a let's watch it and we see how we talk about it. Let's watch the video. Just a minute.
Hello everyone, this is Shelly.
Hello my friends. Today I will learn a traditional and very famous Ghana food. That is the Ghana Jollof. Ghana Jollof.
Alright.
We have the oil and the onion.
Okay.
And this is the tomato. This is the sauce, which is we mixture the onion and spicy. Yeah. And other things.
Okay, and other things. Okay.
Yeah, this is the tomato paste.
Okay.
So that's all we need. All we use. Second step is the onion.
Alright.
The color of this sauce is too bright.
Too right.
Yeah. It's too bright.
So Shelly go.
嗨，你
嗨妹
好，我叫美美，我现在在帮 Sam 做一个沙拉，虽然我从来没做过。
She said, "Hi, hello everyone. My name is Mei Mei, and now I am doing a kind of salad to help Sam. But although I had never done this before."
为什么这么难记？
Yes, it is her first time to cook salad.
Preparing
Yeah.
salad.
This is
So she's nervous.
yeah.
没劲儿，
She feels nervous.
手没劲儿的。
Hi, my name is Shirley and Chinese friend of Sam. And now we have finished all the procedures for the jollof rice. Yeah, and I will have a taste now. When I have a taste, 然后说再看一下。
好的，上去。
I think it's good because it is a little spicy and with some flavor of the tomato. Yeah, it's good. It is a special kind of rice that I have never tasted
Wow.
in China. Yeah. Yeah, this is the first time of eating the jollof rice and also the first time eating the Ghanaian. Jollof rice is the best.
真好吃。
啊，真好吃。
Delicious.
Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.